This is Sing, and this isn't Sing right out of the box. I've worn this a few times, and so many times I get people saying, yeah, but if you buy a short wig, a pixie wig, a bob wig like this, or it has bangs, there's just not much styling available with it. But I beg to differ on that, because this is not how I've styled it until today. But I want to kind of deconstruct it and then go back and show some ways to do that. And first of all, let's talk, this is Sing. It's a high heat hair wig, and it's from Ellen Villa, and the color Platinum Blonde Rooted, which happens to be one of my favorite colors because it's so subtle, the way all this highlighting and then the rooting is. I just really love that. So let's deconstruct, take the style out. You've seen what I had. Let's deconstruct it and put my wig cap back on. I just really love a wig cap because it keeps my heads, when there gets to be some return hairs coming in from wearing it. A lot of times some of those hair starts coming back towards the inside of the cap. You can remedy that. But this, I feel like, it also gives it a skin-like appearance when you have a hairline, right? A part line. So that's one of the reasons. But let's deconstruct this. On the website, you will find that there's pictures of me in this. I'll leave the link below. There's pictures of me in this, wearing it, different styles, different lighting, and that's really important, all that, the different lighting and all. But today I just wanted to talk about the misconception that if you buy a wig, that's it. That style, you put it on your head and pop it on, that's it. It's not it. We have lots of options, okay? And that's really key, of knowing that you can play with your wig and come up with all these fun styles. So let's put it back on. I have combed everything out, okay? So first of all, let's take a look at this. This part line is right down the middle. And you saw that I was wearing it with a side part, right? I was wearing it where it looked like it was on the side. And that's because of the bangs. I swept them over that way. So let's put it back on. Remember, it has a middle part, and not everybody is a fan of a middle part. So let's kind of define that part a little bit. Take it back to how it came. So when you get this, it's going to be in a center part, and not everyone's a fan of a center part. I like it. I like it all, I have to say. I like the variety and the fun of wearing it different. Okay, so put it on, get your ear tabs, straighten it up, and you can see here that this is how it basically comes. This is really, too, I want you to know, this is extremely lightweight, very, very lightweight density. There's not a lot of hair here, so anyone that's looking for something that doesn't have a lot. Now this wig predominantly comes in colors and rooted, but not in a silver. I wish it did. This is as close to a silver platinum that I could get, but I've gotten comfortable with rooting because that's very trendy and stylish. Now let's take a look at that. These bangs to me are long-ish, but that gives you opportunity of different ways to wear it. This is high heat. So remember, you can get curling on this and get a curling brush, a heated curling brush, and curl it to give it where it comes up a little bit more above, right at the eyebrows. But what's great for this, and you could trim it, but I don't like trimming them when I'm trying to show them to you, because it's not going to give you a true idea of what you're going to get. So of course this could be just a little bit of baby bang there, but this is kind of how, when you get it out of the box and style it, this is going to be your first maybe experience. And on the website I show pictures where it looks just like this, right out of the box, okay? But the thing to remember is, remember the ear tucks, the things that you can do with ear tucks. In the summertime, I think this is going to be really cute, wearing headbands with it. I think you could wear a winter type of headband on this. I think that you can't do a little mini pony. You're not going to be able to do that. It's not long enough for that. But It is long enough to have an ear tuck. You're going to be able to, you know, you can pull it back some like this and keep these little tendrils and put a little bobby clip in there, a little clip, and get you something back going like that. So I want you to be able to think about what you're going to do with it. Do you want volume? Can you get volume in it? Look at this. You get some wig wax and you get some setting spray, Flex Hold, like the Beauty Mark Flex Hold. You could get, I'll leave the website below. You can get it, when you go to look at the wig, look up the Beauty Mark hair products for wigs. Not hair products, but products for wigs. So to me, see, when you sleek it down, it looks one way. And another thing is when you start pumping up some volume in there, it just really gives it a whole different vibe. Now, again, you saw me wearing it on the side when the video started out. So our wigs like this, be able to wear it in multiple different ways. Yes, you can. I hope you can see that I'm busting that myth that you're getting a one-trick pony, because yes, they're salon ready, but also they're ready for you to also do something a little different. That's for your face shape. That's for the way that you like to wear it. So what I'm going to do is kind of fluff it back like this with my comb, my wide tooth comb. I'm just going through like that. And it does have all these little short, see these little short fringe in there? So it is there, one, that I think that's there to give it a bit of volume, but two, to make this versatile. So this is all I did. You don't have a middle part now. I'm going to fluff it up. I like that angle that's giving on it. That's super cute. And then you can use your fingers. It's got the shorts here and the nice sweep, which for a particular face shape, I think this is very flattering to wear it like this. And just get it a little lighter if you want in there, a little less combed down and set. And once you get it exactly the way you want it, because you know, if the wind blows, it may change the bangs a bit, blowing back. So one of the things I mentioned was the Flex Hold Beauty Mark hairspray. So this is a hairspray just for wigs. So let's take a look at that. And I think that just gives it, when it's not parted down the middle, a whole different look, maybe for your face shape. Can you wear a wig like this in the winter? Of course you can, depending on just whatever color you want to wear. There's no hard rule that it has to be brown or red. It can be winter white, winter platinum. So I maybe don't wear yellow blondes, golden, yellowy blondes, but I do like the platinum colors. Of course, for me, I think they tend to be very flattering for my face color, maybe for yours too. And so I like it even in the winter time, wearing the lighter colors. So yeah, there you go. And all you'd have to do is spray a little bit of Flex Hold on it, or wig wax if you're using wig wax. And that's going to maybe set it a little bit so that you're not so worried about the wind totally changing that new style that you just put in it. Super cute, super pretty little wig, light density, but you can see how I was able to kick up some volume in there. So really super cute. I just love showing you different things to do with your new wig that you're getting, and hope that will encourage you with maybe an existing wig to have fun with it, play with it, find out what looks great on you and your face shape, skin tone, all of those things that you're going to discover about wigs, and the fashionability of changing up your wardrobe, your look, having a different vibe every day, business, casual, boho, whatever you're looking for, you'll find it in a wig.